My name is Justin Seippel. I work for Sippel Steel Fabricators, and I went to school at Pittsburgh Technical College. PTC definitely honed my skills that I already have a passion for. I was already interested in CAD, and PTC helped me develop those skills into more professional areas. I never thought that I would ever go to college and really be that involved, but because the school is so geared towards what it is that you're doing, it was really natural for me to go through all the courses and excel. The fact that I went to PTC, makes it an easy decision for me, first of all, that I would hire people from PTC, right? John, I think, was always comfortable when he came in because he had a little bit of experience. He was a person from another company. He just happened to be from PTC, and I think I really lucked out in that regard because it was just one more reason that he fit really well in our office, PTC not only provided us with that basic knowledge, but it also brought us all together. I think that's worth a lot. Everybody has their strong points, so I, pay close attention to everybody in terms of like what they're good at. And as you can see, I'm standing right in the middle of the department, so really like to consider myself a team leader more so than like a manager, just because I am working with everybody every day and I'm doing the same thing that they're doing. There was definitely some moments there where you do realize that you're part of something that's much bigger. Even to this day, I have basically all the jobs that I've done tagged on a Google map. And every moment that I get to put another location dot on my map is another job that was well done. There's pretty much nowhere I drive in Pittsburgh that I can't see a building that I helped build, and I'm definitely really proud of that.